I'm sorry to say, you must know this, and I know you know it, but I'm just going to remind you. In 1985, Chandrachud Committee was appointed by both the government of Assam and government of Meghalaya, 1985, with the blessing of the center. Rajiv Gandhi was there. Indira Gandhi was shot. So Rajiv Gandhi was there. And Assam was, the Chief Minister of Assam was Hiteshwar Sakya. And Chief Minister of Meghalaya was Captain Sharma. Congress in Delhi, Congress in Assam, Congress in Meghalaya. Chandrachud submitted a report without recommendation. He did not recommend anything. 2 years after, in 1987, Chandrachud Committee submitted this report. Just a report that we heard the Assam party. This is what they expressed. So he wrote in the report. We also heard the Meghalaya party, and this is what they expressed. Only what they expressed, the Assam leaders, what they expressed, what they wanted, and also Meghalaya leaders about what they, expressed and reported. Only that was mentioned in the report of Chandrachud, without any recommendation in 1987, 2 years after the appointment of the committee. Unfortunately, there was no follow-up. You see, so Congress was in Delhi, Congress Assam, Congress Meghalaya. Had they followed up in 1987, I think we will not suffer today. I'm sorry to say this. You may ask them why they did not follow up. Completely silent after Chandrachud submitted this report.